Hi everyone! In this video, I will show you how to create a histogram in Google Sheets. Let's say you have a column of test scores. First, click and drag to select your data. Then, click Insert in the top menu and choose Chart. A chart will appear in the middle of your sheet, and the Chart Editor panel will open on the right. In the Chart Editor panel, click the Chart Type drop-down. Scroll down and select Histogram chart under the Other section. Your chart will update. You can customize the chart by clicking the Customize tab, then click to expand histogram options. Here, you can adjust the bucket size and outlier percentile by clicking their corresponding drop-downs. You can also move the chart anywhere on your sheet by clicking the chart and dragging it. You can resize by dragging any of the 6 blue boxes along the border of the chart, depending on how big or small you want the chart to be. So, that is how you create a histogram in Google Sheets. I hope you find this tutorial helpful. Thanks for watching.